Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung continues to push the limits of what a smartphone can do, and the S26 Ultra might be the most powerful Galaxy phone we've seen so far. So in this video, we'll talk about the design, performance, camera, battery life, and whether this phone is actually worth upgrading to. Let's get started. Starting with the design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps Samsung's premium look but refines it even more. The phone features a large dynamic AMOLED display, incredibly bright, incredibly sharp, and still one of the best screens on any smartphone. You get a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which makes everything feel smooth, scrolling, gaming, and even basic navigation. The edges feel slightly more refined this year, making the phone more comfortable to hold despite its large size. Samsung also improved durability with stronger glass and better water resistance. Overall, this still feels like a true flagship device. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, which makes this phone extremely fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and gaming performance is excellent. Even heavy games run smoothly without lag or overheating. If you're someone who uses your phone for work, gaming, content creation, or video editing, this phone has more than enough power. Samsung also improved AI features, helping with photo processing, battery optimization, and smarter performance management. One of the biggest highlights of the S26 Ultra is the camera system. Samsung continues to dominate in mobile photography. You get multiple lenses that allow you to shoot ultra-wide, standard, and incredible zoom shots. The zoom is especially impressive. You can capture distant objects with surprising clarity, which is great for travel, sports events, or nature photography. Night photography is also improved this year. Low-light photos look brighter, sharper, and much more detailed compared to previous models. For video creators, the phone can record high-resolution video with excellent stabilization, making it a solid option even for YouTube or social media content. Battery life is another strong point. The Galaxy S26 Ultra easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and even longer with normal use. Samsung also includes fast charging and wireless charging, so topping up the battery is quick and convenient. Another feature many people love is the S Pen, which is still built into the phone. You can use it for notes, drawing, editing photos, or even controlling presentations. It's a feature that still makes the Ultra series stand out from most other smartphones. So the big question, should you upgrade to the Galaxy S26 Ultra? If you're coming from an older phone like the S22, S23, or even S24, the upgrade could definitely be worth it. You get better performance, improved cameras, and longer battery life. However, if you already have the S25 Ultra, the differences might feel more incremental. Still, the S26 Ultra continues Samsung's tradition of delivering one of the most powerful and complete smartphones on the market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more tech reviews, gaming handhelds, and tech tutorials. And let me know in the comments, would you upgrade to the Galaxy S26 Ultra? I'll see you in the next one.